Hello, today I and my group member want to present about sustainable energy solution for everyday life. Okay, for my part is energy conservation. Okay, definition or efficient use of energy resource to minimize waste and maximize benefit. Principle: energy cannot be created or destroyed, only convert from one form to another. Important: finite energy resource and environmental impact. Efficient energy use: choose energy efficient appliance and lighting. How to practice energy conservation? Switching to LED light bulb. Replace traditional incandescent light bulb with energy efficient LED bulbs. LED bulbs use significantly less energy and last much longer. And the second example is turning off light when not in use. Encourage the habit of turning off light when leaving a room or when they are not needed. This action can lead to severe energy saving over time. For the advantage and disadvantage, advantage reduce energy conservation. The second advantage reduce environmental impact, and the third is improve energy security. And the disadvantage initial cost of energy efficient technologies can be high. The second disadvantage implementation challenge in certain industry and sector. The last disadvantage require investment in renewable energy infrastructure.
Okay, thank you. So this is my slide is about the renewable energy source. So renewable energy refer to energy derived from naturally replacing source that are particularly in at house stable and have minimal negative environmental impact. Unlike fossil fuels, which are finite and contribute to climate change, renewable energy source can be harnessed continuously without depleting their availability. So let me introduce you what is the renewable energy. So we have hydropower used from water, and then solar energy from sun, and tidal energy from what is this? And then the geothermal energy. The second last is biomass energy, and the last renewable energy is wind energy. So this renewable energy have advantage, that is environmental benefit. One of the significant advantage of renewable energy is in minimal impact on the environment. Unlike fossil, renewable source produce little no greenhouse gas emission. And then another advantage is energy security and independence. Then they have the disadvantage too, which is the high initial cost and transmission and infrastructure challenge.
Well, hello everyone. Okay, I'm going to explain about carbon footprint. First of all, what is carbon? Carbon is a chemical substance that is produced by burning oil, fossil fuels, and coal. For example, carbon stains and leftovers can be seen as black marks in motor vehicles exhaust and near the engine parts. The more petrol burns, the more carbon you can see. Okay, so now carbon footprint is the amount of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, CO2, and methane that are generated by our daily actions. 60% of worldwide releases greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. And separately from which sector and from where we can see overall in this picture here. Okay, what's the impact about releasing the carbon to the atmosphere? A developing country's biocapacity will be less than their carbon footprint. They will become the ecological debtor by causing major impacts on the atmosphere. In a nutshell, the world's overall biocapacity is decreasing gradually since the evolution of mankind began. In this situation, okay, the number of resources decreases and the amount of wastage increases. Earth gives us natural resources where it is needed by us to live our life. Okay. For now, the amount of resources is being reduced, and the amount of wastage means the leftovers of whatever we have used and from whatever we are doing in daily life are called wastage, and the amount of wastage is keep on increasing day by day today. So based on the global ecological data 2010, 80% of the world natural resources have been used up. This leads up to the increase of Earth temperature. That's what we are facing now. Okay. In this order, to stop it or to prevent it to become more worse, humankind need to reduce the usage of energy. 65% of electricity is being generated by using fossil fuels. Saving up to 5 to 10 kilowatt per hour per month can reduce 10% of the usage of fossil fuels annually. Renovating homes for better ventilation and using solar energy cells is much advisable as it reduces the carbon footprint individually. Consumers need to save electricity using the ways set out by the National Energy Commission. Ministry should be responsible and take order to change the method for power generating at power plants globally. It is advisable to reduce the quantity of meat in a meal to reduce the margin of meat production, which 15% of the agriculture department is being the major cause to carbon footprint.
Energy efficiency appliance. Function of energy appliance to reducing energy consumption. We have the 5 important offset rating and utilizing energy efficiency. The first is energy star rating, choosing appliances with energy star label that meets specific energy efficiency standard. Second is we have efficiency home, selecting energy and efficiency refrigerator, washing machine and the other household appliance. The third we have efficiency heating and cooling system, selecting in high voltage AC current system which has seasonal energy efficiency ratio rating. And then we have smart home technology, utilizing smart home device and system that optimize energy use. Then we have energy efficiency lighting, opting for LED or CFL bulb that consume significantly less energy compared to the other bulb. Next. Energy saving product such as smart thermostat, LED lighting and effective cooling and heating system are crucial for cutting energy use. The advantages of these technologies in terms of energy saving, economic effectiveness and improved comfort are explored in the article. It also highlights how crucial consumer education and appliance labeling initiatives are for encourage the use of energy efficiency equipment. So that's all for our group. Thank you.